I wanted to change the world, but I have found that the only thing one can be sure of changing is oneself. Woman means the bone of a man. In the Ga language, wo means bone. You cannot change the people around you, but you can change the people that you choose to be around. It's not a matter of whether you want happiness. We all need peace, love, and happiness. But if you fail to nurture your spirit by absorbing all things good and giving attention to the matters of your heart, it will be hard to obtain. It must radiate from inside of you, then flow outwardly penetrate. Knowledge which is acquired under compulsion has no hold on the mind. Therefore do not use compulsion, but let early education be a sort of amusement. You will then be better able to discover the child's natural bent. The most intelligent people disguise the fact that they are intelligent. Wise men do not wear name tags. The more people talk about their own skills, the more desperate they are. Their work should speak for itself. Non-judgment quiets the internal dialogue, and this opens once again the doorway to creativity. If you cultivate the attitude of indifference towards the mind, gradually you will cease to identify with it. Man was the last of creation, but was given the duty to care for the earth and all other created living creatures. Learning is retarded in conditions of high anxiety and low acceptance. For most tasks, people have the intellectual knowledge to perform well. They just have a hard time acting on what they know. From where does this I arise? Seek for it within, it then vanishes. This is the pursuit of wisdom. When the mind unceasingly investigates its own nature, it transpires that there is no such thing as mind. This is the direct path for all. The mind is merely thoughts. Of all thoughts, the thoughts of. Life is a gift. Value it. Life is a trial. Endure it. Life is a journey. Complete it. Life is a test. Pass it. Life is a task. Fulfill it. Life is an opportunity. Use it. Life is a moment. Enjoy it. Life is a mission. Accomplish it. The universe is a masterpiece painted by love's masterstrokes. Knowing others is intelligence. Knowing yourself is true wisdom. Mastering others is strength. Mastering yourself is true power. Great spirits have always encountered opposition from mediocre minds. The mediocre mind is incapable of understanding the man who refuses to bow blindly to conventional prejudices and chooses instead to express his opinions courageously and honestly. Never respond to an angry person with a fiery comeback, even if he deserves it. Don't allow his anger to become your anger. Silk is a fine, delicate, soft, illuminating, beautiful substance, but you can never rip it. If a man takes this tender silk and attempts to tear it and cannot tear it, is he in his right mind to say this silk is fake? I thought it was soft. I thought it was delicate. But look, I cannot even tear. People will always judge you. That doesn't mean you have to pay attention to them. Die with respect, but don't let your respect die.